Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you can install Lineage ROM on Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Viewers, you need OTG connector and one USB flash drive with at least 8 GB free storage. So we will start with unlocking the bootloader of our phone. Viewers, only EMUI 9.1 can be unlocked, so make sure your phone is running EMUI 9.1. Enable developer options by tapping 7 times, and then in developer options you must allow OEM unlock. Okay, I have already enabled this option. Now next step will be unlocking the bootloader. For that you need to connect your phone in fast boot mode. Switch simply power off your phone, hold volume down button and insert cable, and your phone will enter fast boot mode. We will unlock the bootloader using the unique bootloader code. Viewers, this code is different for every phone. Okay, you need to buy this code. Okay, we will open the CMD here and type the command fastboot space OEM space unlock space and paste the code, and then press enter. When we will press enter, a warning will appear on our phone screen where you need to select yes by pressing volume up button and then press power button to confirm your decision. And once bootloader is unlocked, your phone will reboot and perform a factory reset. Make sure you back up all important data from your phone. Viewers, you will not be able to use high suit on Lineage, so make sure you use another method to back up your data. While phone is performing factory reset, we will connect USB flash drive with computer, and then we will copy the open GApps. If you need GApps, you can flash them, but make sure you do in the beginning. Okay, we will copy the Lineage 18.1, which is based on Android 11, and ARM 64-bit BVS version we need for this phone. Okay, I will copy both GApps and ROM image on my USB flash drive in the deload folder. You can make any folder with any name. Okay, phone has just started, and now we will connect phone again in fast boot mode. Okay, we will connect phone in fast boot mode, and now we are going to flash TWRP recovery on our phone. Viewers, TWRP recovery is only required for installing the ROM and installing GApps. Otherwise we don't the ROM itself cannot boot with TWRP recovery, and we don't need it further after installing the ROM. In fast boot mode, you can see phone is showing unlocked, which means bootloader is unlocked. Now we will run the command fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then simply drag and drop TWRP recovery, which is there with the name recovery 3.3.1 something. Okay, simply drag and drop that image. I will share these files with you in the description of this video. Okay, once TWRP flashed, you need to disconnect phone from computer and make your flash drive ready. To enter the TWRP recovery mode, you need to hold volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons for at least 20 seconds, and when a message appears on your phone screen that your phone has been unlocked and then you can leave the buttons. Okay, I will show you the correct message. Just keep holding even after the logo, and when this screen appears it means you did correct, and now phone will enter TWRP recovery mode. Okay, in TWRP recovery you need to swipe to allow modifications, and then you need to connect USB OTG drive, and after that you need to reboot to recovery mode. Okay, because maybe if you directly connected USB OTG in TWRP recovery and it may not detect it properly, so it is a good practice to reboot your phone in recovery mode. It will actually reboot in TWRP recovery mode because we have installed the TWRP recovery. So now phone will detect OTG USB drive properly. Back in TWRP recovery, you need to tap on wipe, then advanced wipe, and only tick in system partition. Don't tick any other partition. Okay, only tick in system partition and swipe to wipe. If any error appears just like this, you need to go back and again select the system partition and wipe again. Okay, if there is any error. Okay, now you need to, okay, we cannot see the USB OTG here when we are trying to install, so we will unmount and mount again the USB OTG drive. Go in mount section and remove tick from USB OTG and tick again. If you cannot tick, simply reconnect your USB. Okay, now it is mounted. Now we will tap on install, and then we will tap on we will go in USB OTG deload folder and tap on install image and select Lineage 18.1 and then tick in system image. Okay, we are going to flash system image, and the flashing process will start. This process will take maybe 3 to 5 minutes, so I will skip the video. Viewers, if you don't need Google apps, you can skip the next step, which is about flashing the G apps. Okay, so you can skip if you don't need Google apps. Okay, once flashing completed, now you need to go back without reboot. Don't reboot your phone. You cannot flash G apps after reboot. Okay, and we will install these G apps which we have copied. Okay, it gave the error. It is saying that the G apps package is for Android 10 and you have installed Android 11, so we will need another version of G apps. So I will disconnect USB OTG drive and copy another version of G apps which are compatible with Android 11. I will share these files with you. Don't worry about it. Okay, I will share. I will give you link in the description of this video. I have just copied the other version, and we'll see if it appears. No, again there is a problem of USB OTG mount. We need to do same steps again. We will reconnect USB OTG and then mount it again, and then the data might appear. Okay, now it appeared there, and now we will see if other zip file is showing. Tap on install. No, it is still not showing. I think it will take few seconds before the data can be read from USB OTG. I will reconnect and try again. Okay, these GApps are flashing. This is Nika's core GApps file. So it is flashed successfully. No, it is saying insufficient space. Okay, there is no storage space left in the system partition. So we need to resize the system partition. We will go in wipe, advanced wipe, and then tick system partition. Viewers, don't tick another partition, only system partition. Okay, in advanced wipe only tick in system partition and then tap on repair or change file system. Okay, and here you need to resize file system and swipe to resize, and if there is error simply go back and again resize the system partition. It is completely safe. Okay, simply wipe again, and now you can see resizing is done. Now without rebooting you need to install again NIC again, and now it should be successful. Viewers, if you don't want GApps you should skip this step. Okay, this step is only for those people who want Google apps, those who cannot live without Play Store. Okay, once it is done, ignore these red errors and go back to main menu of TWRP recovery. Tap on reboot and select bootloader. Make sure you select bootloader. We should go in fast boot mode, and now we should flash stock recovery. Okay, we cannot boot this ROM with TWRP recovery. So once phone is in fast boot mode, we will connect with PC, and then on computer we will run command, same command we used for TWRP: fast boot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and then simply drag and drop stock recovery, which is available with the name recovery underscore RAM disk. This is stock recovery. Okay, simply drag and drop and then press enter, and flashing has been successful. Now we should enter recovery mode, disconnect phone from computer and hold volume up and power simultaneously for 20 seconds, and your phone should enter stock recovery mode. And there you need to make wipe data factory reset. This step is very important, otherwise your ROM will show some errors. Okay, so make sure you wipe data or make factory data reset with stock recovery, only then ROM will start properly. Okay, factory reset process completed. Now simply tap on reboot, and now we will wait for ROM to boot up. Okay, now we should go through the initial configurations. I will skip most of these steps because I am just installing this for temporary reasons. Okay, I will skip everything and quickly reach home screen. I will only test the basic functions of this ROM. Okay, I cannot make deep analysis of this ROM. Okay, in settings we will verify that which version is this. Wi-Fi will be needed. Okay, Wi-Fi is connected, so Wi-Fi is working properly. Play Store is working. I'm not going to log in because I don't need to, but you can log in and download any other G apps. Okay, camera is working, and this is open cam. If you really like the Huawei camera, you can download from Play Store. The name of that app is One HW camera, that is similar to Huawei stock camera. Okay, that should work. Okay, dark theme is there, and we will see if anything else need to be checked. Okay, in PHH trouble settings we have something for fast charging, and you can see Android 11 version is running on Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Okay, I will also test the fingerprint. If fingerprint is working, it should be working. I have already installed Lineage on many phones, and everything works. Okay, this is the GSI ROM, not specially designed for Huawei, so most of the functions will work. All basic functions will work, and there might be some bugs, but I don't know which bugs and how to fix them. I am just showing you how you can install the Lineage on your Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Okay, I am not developer of this ROM. Okay, one important thing is files transfer mode usually don't work in Android 11, but it is working in this phone with this ROM, so this is very good news for Huawei Mate 10 Pro users. In Android 11 you will be able to transfer the data using USB cable. Usually most phones don't have this option in Android 11 GSI ROM. And one thing I would like to tell you that your phone will not charge when it is powered off, so make sure you don't let your phone's battery die, otherwise you will not be able to charge your phone. It can create problem for you. You can enter e-recovery mode by holding volume up and connecting cable. It will take you to e-recovery, and there you can charge the phone, but don't let the battery die. Okay, this could create problem for you. You can see there is no life in phone when it is powered off and connected to charger. So make sure your phone battery does not reach zero. Okay, you must charge your phone before the phone turns off itself. So this was the only precaution. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.